I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we.
What's kicking, Shackmates? Final Vixen, Slim Shetty.
What's up, guys?
Here at Wrapsesh. So this week we're going to be showcasing a custom car reveal. It is the Xmen Storm Wrap.
Yeah, X gonna give it to you. What?
Keep going! This week we are doing a custom car reveal on a
Camaro. And I'll tell you what, this Camaro was electrifying.
Yes. All of a sudden you have trouble with your odds. And we did a really beautiful design from Curvaceous Wraps, another one-hit wonder. So we had a beautiful Curvaceous Wraps design with this really beautiful Storm character on the hood and a whole bunch of lightning and craziness going on around it.
It was nice.
There was no cows.
Lots of I was really hoping, okay, there was a tornado on the side, and I really wanted to put a little tiny cow in there somewhere in the storm. You know, on the movie Twister?
Yeah.
It would have been awesome,
Yeah.
but we forgot.
Except it's Xmen.
Just kidding. No, it's Xmen, so we couldn't do that.
Yeah. Okay.
But
anyways, we did an awesome Avery SW900 matte metallic silver print base with glass laminate on our Muto 1682 SR Eco Solvent printer.
Which gave it a nice 50 Shades of Grey.
Oh.
Hey guys, Curvaceous Wraps here. I had the honor of creating this art piece of Xmen Storm for my friends over at Wrapsesh. The client absolutely fell in love with this piece, called The Queen of Wakanda, originally illustrated by Denver Balbonico. When Wrapsesh reached out to this artist, they asked if they could use the art. Unfortunately, the artist wasn't allowed to share the work, but gave us permission to recreate the work. So that's when Wrapsesh reached out to me to take this on. For this piece, the client wanted everything to be as close as possible to the original. Of course, in good old Curvaceous fashion, I added my own whirlwind spin on things. The end result was way more crisp and clear. For this particular project, I proposed that we use 3D in order to recreate the Queen of Wakanda. As an artist, 3D helps me a ton when it comes to shadows and highlighting. Since we knew there was going to be a massive amount of light, of course, it's Storm after all, lightning, duh, I wanted to create something as realistic as possible. I used a lot of photo assets as well, elements like her jewelry, fabrics, and the environments for the background, such as rocky cliffs and rain. The 3D aspect came into play with her body positioning, where she's sitting on the Black Panther's throne. In case you guys didn't know, Storm marries the Black Panther in the comics. She did become the Queen of Wakanda. Her headpiece was also created in 3D. For her face and hair, I used 3D to assist me with layout placements, but then I illustrated over on top to create my own character. Her hair took me over 6 hours to illustrate. For her outfit, I added Storm's red ancestral ruby, as this is symbolic to her comic book character. Storm's mother gave it to her, which would enable teleportation in conjunction with her lightning powers. All in all, this time-lapse video is about 20 hours compiled into 5 minutes, and there was way more hours on top of that to create a full custom wrap. I am always honored to work with Wrapsesh because we get to do the coolest projects. Storm is by far one of my favorite X-Men, and all I can say is, when do we get to do Rogue? Anyway guys, keep slaying and keeping up with the Wrapsesh vibes. Enjoy.
not. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do,
Thank you guys so much for watching our episode this week. We hope you enjoyed our I Am the Storm wrap. So if you guys want to go above and beyond with a custom vehicle wrap, make sure to reach out to us at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. If you want to keep up with our daily fun, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at WrapseshAZ and Vitaviction Wraps. And please, 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 make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrapsesh vibe. And we'll see you guys next week.
Later.
Thresh!
Let's go.
What's it called?
What, the Camaro?
Yeah. What do we call it?
It's a Camaro.
I know, but what's the wrap called?
Wait, hold on. Is that where you want, what do you want me to do there? I'll do whatever you want.
Answer the question. Showcasing a custom car reveal. It is the Xmen Storm wrap.
Yeah, X gonna give it to you. What?
Keep going. You have to keep going.
What, the Camaro? Wait, no.
You keep rapping.
No, I'm not gonna keep rapping.
Yes, you can. Okay.
No, I can't.
You guys are making him nervous. Turn around. Turn around. This was the Xmen Storm wrap.
Yes.
The Xmen.
Oh, X gonna give it to you.
X gonna give it to you.
You gotta keep going.
I don't know the rest other than just X gonna give it to you.
What if Ashley just jumps in right when we say that and you can do it?
No.
Come on! You're gonna make Mike do it, but you won't do
No.
it?
It's fine. It's fine. We'll go.
Featuring an Xmen Storm.
X gonna give it to you. X gonna give it to you.
Why won't you it.
What am I supposed to do? What do you...
This is not that hard.
I have 3 people on the floor laughing. It's pretty hard.
Don't look at them.
When you miss your cue.
You know, on Saturday Night Live, all the bloopers.
I'm gonna say this is a storm from Xmen. And then you do it.
How am I supposed to stay serious after that?
Okay, last try. We got it this time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, redo it. We're gonna. Okay. Say that again.
I'm fine.
Say that again.
Okay. Come show him.
I don't need to do that. That was pretty good.
Okay.
That was pretty good.